Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So now it's time for us to move to the store concept. Now we have developed all those things, right? So now we have created this adding a new node, deleting a new node. These are all the things we have to do. Now it's time for us to create the Pinia store, and we'll try to save these all the nodes and all those things. We'll try to get it from the Pinia store. Let's install the Pinia first. So for getting Pinia, what we need to do first, install the Pinia. So npm install Pinia. So it will take some time to install the Pinia. Let it install. See, the Pinia has been successfully installed. So to check whether the Pinia is installed or not, what we can do is, so you can check it in the package.json, and here you will be able to see the Pinia package that has been added in the package dependency. Fine. So now this one is done. Now let's go to the main.js. So we need to create the instance of the Pinia store, right? So for this one, what we'll do, so here you can create a variable constant Pinia is equal to create Pinia. So this will create the Pinia instance, and we need to load it to the JS. So app.use of Pinia. That's it. So now we have instantiated the Pinia. Now what we need to do? Let's go to the nodes to view. So this is the thing. Now here what we are having, so here these are all the nodes that are stored in the component, right? So now what we can do is, so let's try to remove this one and store it in the Pinia store. For this one, what we need to do, let's create a stores concept. So here this is the stores, and in this one I am creating a new file, that is nodes store. So this is the node store, and here we can have export constant use nodes store is equal to define store. So we need to define the store, and first one is the node store, so unique ID we need to give, and the next one is the, so we'll write it with the composition API. So now let's copy this nodes data. So here I am copying the entire nodes data, and we can paste it here directly. Okay, let's import the ref concept. So ref, yeah, we have imported the ref concept also. Now we got the nodes. What we need to do, we need to return these all the things. We need to expose it. So return nodes. Now in the nodes view, what we need to do here, now we need to call the constant use nodes store. So we need to import the store, node store, and that one is nothing but what I can say, use nodes store. So it should be imported. It should be imported from the, where it is not importing. Why? We are not exporting it or what? So here, where is this node store? Use node store. We are exporting also. So let's try to add it here. Import from where it should be imported. So in the stores / node store. Yeah. And the thing we need to import is a use node store. That's it. So we have got the node store. So we can have directly the node store, not use node store and all this. So we got the node store. So now we have to get the nodes. Right now nodes is thinking that it is coming from this component, but this nodes needs to be get it from the store thing. If you see the output here, so if you correctly observe the output, so we are not able to see the output. Why? Because okay, we are not running this one, right? So let's run this one, npm run dev. So let it take some time to run it. It is running. Yeah. So if you are not able to understand this Pinia store and all those things, I have already did videos in this one prior to this project. So that is the reason I am doing little bit fast. So if you want to know more about this one, so you can refer to my Pinia videos, not a problem. And now here, these are the, yeah, now the nodes we are not able to see it, and here nodes was accessed. So what we need to do is, so here we can have a store to ref concept, right? Constant nodes. So we will destructure the nodes, and we will do store to refs of node store. Okay, node store. That's it. Now if you see here in the output, so now we are able to get the store. So this time we are getting it from the Pinia. If you want to see it in the inspect element, if you have the vue dev tools installed in your system, you will be able to get like this view, and here you'll be able to see the Pinia also. Why this Pinia is not coming? Let's refresh this one, and again let's close this one and open this one again. Maybe sometimes it will not come, sometimes it will come. So here Pinia, let's see whether we are able to get the Pinia or not this time. It's taking so much of time. I don't know what has happened to this one. Do it again. Yeah, now we are able to see the Pinia. So sometimes the system, because my system is a little bit slow, right? So it is taking some time. So now you will be able to see like this Pinia, and this is the node store. And here we are able to see the nodes data. Fine. We are able to see the nodes data and all those things. So now it's time for us. So we got the thing. Now it's time for us to add a note. When I am trying to add a note here, so we should add a note here. Okay. So we are able to add it successfully, and the Pinia also we are able to store it. But this could not be the case, right? So here we are having the nodes.value.push. Yeah, here we are able to do it. Here we are able to do it. Now, not what we'll do is we'll try to do it within actions. Now here, let's try to add a method constant add note. Okay, add note is equal to, so it is a method, and here you will be getting the node content. Now here you will be getting the node content. Node content means nothing but the value, the text box dictionary value. And here we are having the current date, which we will be trying to get the dynamic ID, and we are preparing the note object, and we are pushing it into the nodes. So this all the entire thing can go into the store. Why? Because this belongs to the store, right? That's the reason. So here we can store it. So nodes.value and all those things, note and all those things. Yeah, fine. And now we need to expose this add node. And here what I can do is, so in this one at the top, what I can do, so node store dot add node. So I can call this method. That's it. And we need to pass the value, right? New node dot value, and it will take care of everything. And here if you go to the new node store, current date, and here you can write the node content. And here nodes dot value dot unshift, everything is fine. Now if you see the output, then if you try to see the output, refresh it, and here I will try to add it again, and here we are able to add it successfully without any problem. So this is how we will be creating the store. So using the options API also is one and the same thing only. Using the composition API also one and the same thing only. Which way you want it, you can do it. That is up to you. So that is not my case. So you can write, you can define this entire thing in an options API also. Like state, you can define it, and the actions, in these actions you can create the add node. Like that also you can do. It's not a problem. So now this is how we have installed the Pinia, and we have created, and we are getting the nodes data from the store, and also we are successfully able to add the nodes data which is present in the store. So hope you understood about this concept. What I will do is I will commit this code in a new branch, video-81, and this GitHub link is provided in the description below. If you have any doubts regarding the code and all those things, if you want to refer back, means, so you can check back that GitHub link so that you can have an idea of how I have did this all the code, so that you can have a reference. So here Pinia store initialization. Okay, initialization. Let's commit it, and I am also publishing this branch, and here I will show you the GitHub URL. So github.com/NotesList. So this is a separate project which we are having, application which I am developing right now. So anybody who is having doubts and all those things, they can get back to here and they can check the code. And here you will be having all the videos and its branches. So whatever the video you're trying to watch, and you can watch that video, and if you want to get that code of that particular video, means you can go to this particular branch and you can get it. So hope you understood about this Pinia installation and all those things. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.